I am at an undisclosed location. Just checking things out over here. It's an abandoned property, I'm pretty sure. There's some old, like, agricultural thing. And just cruising around, checking this joint out. I'll show you over here. Here's some more farm stuff. Oh, I had something like this a long time ago. Wow. There's some old tanks. Some old clay pipes. I guess they used to burn the oil there. That's minnow. You know, they were characters. There's a lot of clay pipes. Oh, for crying out loud. I don't think I was just taping. So, here's this once again. Building. Little tiny house, man. I don't know how long it's been abandoned for, but... And that's a mess. That was a house over there, too. I think that was the main house. And that was just like... the guest house or something? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be here, so... I'm getting out of here. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Hit me up with your questions. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed.